everyone. Uh, this is a product what I built. So as per the promise with the principal ma'am of DYPCOE College of Engineering, we started with the vision of integrating the document verification and digitization system into the current ERP, and this is the showcase of the features, how these features can be molded into the current ERP system, or the or on these features we can make a whole ERP system for a college. So starting with the phase of sign in. So yeah, here comes the main part. We can create the account for student, faculty and admin. The recruiter, parent and vendor are in development phase. Coming to the sign in phase, you can use the connected wallet, use your password and mail ID, the mail ID given by college, your full name, and if I just use the demo mode, go for student, continue. You can here fill out the roll number, department, batch year, and you can just finish the registration. Same for the admin and same for the faculty. Same for the admin. So coming back to sign in, currently we have the single signing for a student, faculty and admin. So starting from the student, here we go. So signing is based on the mail and password verification, because we don't want the school authorities just play with the MetaMask and get confused how to connect the wallet, how to sign in the wallet. So just the signing must be a very which must be made with very ease. So currently backend is starting, and therefore it is getting so much of time. Okay, let me show you something that is based on the things that founder must know how the things are going to work. So this is how the things were built. Okay, we built the foundation of the solidity contracts, Next.js API, Prisma schema, and Next.js role-based operating system. Then we added the front end and deploying wire with the currently 3 OS, role-based verification, zero knowledge circuit, and then we go on to the MST testnet deployment. We got the production hardening with no mock. It got integrated to the Pinata IPFS and on-chain D2E evidences, and OS on-chain bug fixes, and MDVS alignment, MST document verification system. Okay, so the student dashboard is ready. So here comes the student dashboard. You can see the sections of the attendance, assignment, credentials, student ID card, profile, wallet, resume builder, document vault, and activity explorer. So let's explore everything step by step. Coming with the attendance. So the attendance is a very process in which we have to scan the QR on the faculty OS, and that attendance gets marked there. We will show that in the faculty OS. And if I want to see how the attendance is actually anchored, here is the transaction ID. this net transaction. Okay, QR code verification. And coming on to assignment, if you want to ask for the assignments from the college multi, I just enter my profile, what's my department, IT401, title is blockchain. Smart contract is details. Yeah, the due date of tomorrow's. Okay, you can submit our request. What submitted, it will be reflected onto the faculty OS. You'll see it later. Here comes a submission where the faculty has given some assignment and we have submitted the documents verified through the MDVS system. Coming to the credentials, so this is the learning passport of the student is a valid candidate of DYPCOE College of Engineering, and this is how you can. The other side is not ready yet. So here comes the ID. ID is QR code verified. So if we verify it on campus, we can actually see the ID card passes all the 5 checks. The ID is registered on MST chain. Student enrollment is confirmed. Credentials NFT balance is 1 because the student got credited 1 NFT, which is the ID card currently. No active revocations because the faculty or admin hasn't revoked the ID card, and it is a active ID card. Means the student is now valid. It's a student profile. Actually created here. It actually been registered on Pinata. Yeah, this is a little part where the admin actually issues the wallet address, private key, the recovery phase. And here comes the resume builder, the most interesting part of the project. If we build the resume on the platform itself, you can build here. Enter the software engineering part. Summary. Here, stack developer. Knowledge of rack. Achievements. Draft code saved. Experience. MST. Done. Location. India. Duration 6 months. Worked
कौन सा ब्लैक शर्ट देखला क्या यश कुठे
name is DYPCOE On-Chain. Similar draft. Similar draft. And I'll update the CGP. It will be auto synced via the can I anchor it on-chain? We got anchored on-chain, and Pinata is here. The resume, you can actually see it here.
माझे
Download.
शूज आणले
So the resume got generated and it got saved in the Pinata. So here comes the interesting part of document digitization. So first is the foremost is we can request an issue the same 6 result and verification. You can broadcast the request to the admin and faculty. Both of them can upload the documents. Both of them have the authority to upload. Here comes the interesting part. So this is an issued PDF called appraisal, and we can actually open it up here. And the main part is this document is encrypted and can be decrypted only in this browser tab. So this is the first result, or demo result. The QR code has been placed. We will show how the QR code gets placed in the MDVS system. You can actually download it. Now comes the more interesting part. You can verify it on-chain. So if you just upload the another PDF, verification will not be mismatched. So and if we upload the same document with the code, the QR code attached, all checks will be passed. So this document has been verified. For example, if we just upload the file which doesn't have any QR code, so it is just mismatched, because the only document with the same hashes can be cross verified as passed, and the other documents which though they have the same content and everything, and if they doesn't have any QR code, they can't get any of the verification. So last and foremost part is the transactions. So coming to the faculty, this is the faculty dashboard. In the faculty dashboard, so in the student dashboard, we can see the institutional notices issued by admin. So we can actually view the document. Yeah, this is the document. Yeah, we issue a credential starting from the attendance scanner. We can actually just verify it using QR code. So here comes the QR code. We got presented and anchoring today's attendance. Got anchored. This is the attendance for the today's system. It got anchored in the Pinata. So as per the requested in the credential node, we will now see the request issued by the student here. So this is one of the most important part of the document application. It comes with the batch processing, but still the batch processing requires the more of the zip file. If you just Alice is a student, you don't know its mail ID or the roll number. If you just find the student, you cannot find the kind of student which is present here. And if we just put a name called Yash and find student, we can actually fetch its entire detail just using the mail ID. Let's upload the document. So the issued document has been sent to student. The admin part. Here comes the admin dashboard. The audit logs, student records, campus logistics, disciplinary records, campus editing, and activity explorer. Starting from the student registry. Here are the 2 students registered here. student request has been fulfilled for now. The main part comes is the verification hub. How many verifications or the scan has been done till date. The count is a 119. 63% got match, 5 hashes got match, and 3 got it mismatch. Into the student records. Starting entry, passport issuance, mint learning password, which is a gasless process, and the student got the NFT password as a NFT in its my credentials section. Notice issuance. Start with the 06. Upload some number of documents as a result. Include this as a result. So that will not get anchored to the on-chain and IPFS. Publish and broadcast to all users. You can also actually see the academic bank of credentials from here. We can actually run the, here comes the most interesting part, is the ERP hybrid sync. Manual campus snapshot, so audit anchor to Pinata and chip. The campus snapshot from here. Campus snapshot has been run, and we can anchor the weekly and audit manifest. Both of them can appear on the Pinata section as the ERP sync and the audits. This is a campus directory. We can actually view the students and the faculty. Office for publishing the timetable. Pin to Pinata. Timetable pinned. Timetable what? Pinned. Okay. Get to the IT department. Batch is the 2027 and pin it to Pinata. Pinata. Okay. And comes the campus live. wrote what pinch the campus logistic can actually enter any license it okay, so can actually look up for the no deposit so here is the best part of the system. Okay, coming from the how the system actually works, we upload the documents when viewed it actually exists in the browser's memory. It gets the hashes SSH 256, it gets encrypted, it gets pinned to pinata which is off-chain obviously, then the anchor the document which is currently on chain, in index the backend indexer